How to fix TikTok videos not playing. Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna be explaining to you how you can fix your TikTok video not playing. If you are facing this kind of issue where your TikTok videos are not loading, then try these steps. Firstly, on your iPhone, open the Settings app. In Settings, go to the option of Wi-Fi. Sometimes because of your network lag, the videos might not be loading. In this case, be sure to check your network strength. If your current network is lagging, then tap on the option Forget this network and re-add the same network or a different one. Go back to Settings main page and tap on the option General. Inside General, scroll down and tap on the option VPN and Device Management. Make sure that your device is not connected to any VPN, and if there is, then disconnect those. Again, go back to General Interface and tap on the option iPhone Storage. Look for the app TikTok and open it. Now tap on the option Offload app to clear cache. Also check for updates that may be available for TikTok app. Open App Store and search for TikTok, and if there is an update option available, click on it to update your app. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.